What's up, guys? So, I have got something a little special. Oh, let's not reveal addresses. So, actually let's just try that down here. What I should have, and here if I can get it open. What I have in here is the first test printing of my circuit diagram, wiring diagram. Let's drop him down there for the Jeep. So, we're going to have to find something to actually put on the edges of this to keep it. Yeah, it's not exactly the unveiling that I was expecting, but there we go. So my official Willys MB for GPW wiring diagram. I am going to have this available. I'm going to put a link down in the description below this video, and I'll put it in all of the other Jeep videos. It is, by the time this video is on air, it will be available online in both Europe and North America. I will put the dimensions and everything in the description below. Now, pricing does vary a little bit between Europe and North America, and that comes down to printing and factors like that. So, you know, don't get upset if you look at the exchange rate and it looks cheaper in Europe or it looks cheaper in the US. The prices basically reflect what it costs to have it produced in the appropriate market. So I have made a couple of additions to the wiring diagram. One of those being the MB Spares style aftermarket pull headlamp switch. The wiring on that does differ from the original factory headlamp switch, so I've included a little section on that which covers that. In addition to the headlamp switch, I did do a section on the 12 volt voltage regulator. Now, if you've been watching the videos on this Jeep, you know that I have converted it to 12 volt and I used the Lucas style voltage regulator. Now, these do seem to be readily available on Amazon, on eBay, both here in Europe and in the US. So if you are doing a 12 volt conversion and you're using that or a similar voltage regulator, it just gives you a little bit of information there. Well, there we have it. Certainly come a long way from me scratching notes down on bits of scrap paper. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. So links are in the description down below, and it is available now. So thanks for watching.